my star crayons. I can't start drawing without them.
This mess is impossible to work in. Everything is lost.
Not everything. Let's start with one tidy corner and see what we...
See, when everything has its own home, finding things is super fast. It helps your thinking speed up too.
Huh.
Yeah.
Let's put the paper here, the crayons there, and wipe off the crumbs. A clean desk means a clear mind for drawing.
Wow, Penny, this is amazing. I can draw right away. I realize being prepared is so much easier.
That's right, Ben. You're all set. Great job, Benny. Remember, growing is always happening.
Yeah, we're learning every day and glowing together.